Who doesn't want to have a supermodel-like body? Most people would like to be healthier and look more toned. But that means exercising and going on a strict, healthy diet. Healthpedia has compiled a list of foods you can eat anytime and in any quantity. The risk of gaining weight is almost non-existent as they contain very little calories. Let's see the list of foods that contain very little calories. Number 1. Grapefruit. Grapefruits are full of vitamin C, and can help to stabilize your blood levels. And there's only 50 calories in 1 cup of delicious grapefruit. Number 2. Celery. Celery is made up of approximately 95% water. The super healthy food will fulfill around 30% of your daily requirement of vitamin K. Eat it while it's fresh, as they lose most of their useful nutritional value within 5 days. Number 3. Strawberries. Who doesn't love strawberries? Well, you'll enjoy them even more when you realize that 1 cup of these delicious berries contains just 50 calories as well as lots of potassium and fiber. Number 4. Melon. Melon's a popular summer snack because of how freaking delicious it is, and you'll be happy to know that 1 cup of melon contains only 55 calories and huge amounts of vitamins A and C. Number 5. Salad. Salad is an ultimate source of vitamins A and C. It also contains folic acid and iron. Leafy salads barely contains calories and can be consumed in large quantities.
Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to do us 3 favors. Hit the like button, share this video and click subscribe to stay with Healthpedia.